Hello YouTube, welcome back to Solving Web. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable assistive touch or home button on your iPhone. Actually it's an easy process, but guys, sometimes an easy would be a difficult task cause of unfamiliar setup. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, to enable your assistive touch or home button, first of all you have to go to your settings in your phone, and here you have to find out accessibility and click on it. Go to the touch option. Okay guys, here you have assistive touch option and turn it on. After turning it on, the home button appear automatically here you can see the home button. Okay guys, from this way you can enable your assistive touch or home button in your iPhone. Well guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.